So I'm doing this question again, but I'm going to use the sine law. For this one, it's going to be sine law since it's not SSS or SAS. So I'll be using the sine law to do this. Compare it to the way we did it last lesson, where we didn't resort to the sine law and we used the long method of finding the angle C, B, and side B and side A. Now, if we're doing the angle, so answering question 1. So the angle is very easy. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So to find angle C, you just do 180 minus 110 minus 20, and that will give me 50 degrees. So this is 50 degrees. Question 2, which is finding side B. Side B is this side here, so it will be B over sine the angle. So this law, by the way, so you could rotate it. So when I'm looking for a side, I like to write it upside down. So then it's just one step cross multiplying to solve the whole thing. So B over the angle, sine angle opposite to it. So B over the sine that's of the angle that's opposite to it is sine 20 equals, I'm given the 10, so I'm going to work with the 10 over sine 50 degrees. Therefore, B would be 10. I'm just going to cross multiply the sine 20 there. So 10 sine 20 over sine 50, which equals, I'm just going to, here. So B is 4.47 or 4.5. So I'm just going to round it out, 4.5. And if I want to find A, I start off with A over the angle that's opposite to it, sine of that, sine 110 equals, and I'm going to do the 10 over sine 150, sine 50 again. A would equal, just cross multiply the sine 110 to the 10, so 10 sine 110 over sine 50. And that would equal 12.3. So how fast and easy compared to the long method? This question is done. Talk to you soon. Stay safe.